Learn mathematics in easy ways. Today, we're going to have the topic about present value P at compound interest more than once a year. I am your Maestro Benj. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for notification. Bago ang lahat, I would like to share to you this quotation. Education is a progressive discovery of our own ignorance. Will Durant. Kaya mga mahal naming mag-aaral, pagbutihan ang inyong edukasyon nang makamit ang tagumpay. We're still in grade 11 in General Mathematics, Quarter 2. And our topic is present value P at compound interest more than once a year. Objectives. We have to define first the present value and the compound interest. Second, kailangan natin malaman on what are the procedures on how to compute present value P at compound interest more than once a year. And then the third is we have to solve problems involving present value P at compound interest more than once a year. Definition of terms. Present value. It is the current value of a future sum of money or stream of cash flows given a specified rate of return. The compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal loan or deposit, or in other words, interest on interest. Pakatanda natin ang mga salitang ito. Pag sinabing annually, that is equal to 1. Pag semi-annually, that is equal to 2. Pag quarterly is equal to 4. Monthly is equal to 12. May encounter natin yan mamaya sa mga problem natin regarding with our topic. Present value P at compound interest more than once a year. We have the formula. P is equal to F divided by the quantity of 1 plus small letter I raised to M divided by M, and then the closed quantity, it has an exponent of MP, where the meaning of P is the principal, the meaning of F is the maturity future value, the small letter I raised to M, ito po siya, that is the nominal rate of interest or the annual rate. At yung small letter m, that is the frequency of conversion. Ito rin po, yung nasa exponent. And t is the term or time in years. So again, our formula in finding the present value P at compound interest more than once a year is P, that is equal to F, divided by 1 plus the nominal rate of interest divided by the frequency of conversion. We have the exponent, the frequency of conversion multiplied by the term or the time in years. This is the formula. Let's proceed. We have example number 1. Find the present value of 650,900 due in 6 years if money is invested at 13.9% compounded quarterly. So quarterly, that is equal to 4. We have to find for the given. We have F is equal to 650,900. And then, the second given will be the I raised to M or the nominal rate. So, etong M na to ay papalitan natin ng 4. Bakit? Kasi quarterly. So, I raised to 4 or the I or the I nominal rate. This is the nominal rate or the annual rate. That is equal to 13.9%. So, eto po siya. Ngayon, ang 13.9% kapag interest po, ay lagi pong i-divide sa 100. So, 13.9 divided by 100, and that is 0.139. And then, meron po tayong given, the frequency of conversion, which is M. So, ang frequency of conversion, yung po yung kung quarterly, semi-annually, annually, or the monthly. So, dahil tayo ay quarterly, ang M po natin is equal to 4. And then the term is for 6 years. Ito po siya. Step 1, we have to compute for the interest rate in a conversion period of J. The formula in converting or the conversion period J is J is equal to the nominal rate divided by the frequency of conversion. Okay? So we have to substitute this nominal rate. So ito po siya. Di ba po? I raised to 4 or the nominal rate, ito po. Ito po yan. That is 0.139. And then the frequency of conversion, yung M, ito po siya which is 4. So etong J na to, makikita natin mamaya sa formula. And then we have this step number 2. Compute for the total number of conversion periods N. So may formula na naman tayo. N is equal to MT. Kung mapapansin nyo, itong MT, ito po yung exponent doon sa formula. So ang N daw is equal to MT or the frequency of conversion multiplied by the term or time in years. So ibig sabihin, i-substitute natin itong M, that is 4. And then the term is 6. So we have 4 times 6, that is 24. Now, let's proceed to step number 3. Compute for the present value. Dadako na po tayo sa pag-solve ng ating present value P at compound interest more than once a year. So we have the formula P is equal to F divided by the quantity of 1 plus the nominal rate divided by the frequency of conversion raised to the frequency of conversion times the term. So i-substitute po muna natin yung F tsaka itong mga to. Ito pong 1 ay hindi po dapat binabago. Itong 1 ay constant. So, sinubstitute natin yung F, that is 650,900. Ito po siya. And then 1 plus, ito po yung J na kinumpute natin sa step number 1. So, ito daw palang I raised to M divided by F. Ito pala ay equal to J. So, pinalitan po natin ito. Ito po yung J, kinuha natin dito, kaya naging 0.139 divided by 4, ito po siya. And raised to 24. Itong 24, yung po yung empty natin. Kaya mahalaga po ang step 1 at step 2. Ang una po natin gagawin, we have to divide this part, yung J. Ito po ay as is, huwag munang babaguhin. Wala po dapat pakialaman, pati rin po ito. Ito po ay i-divide natin. So, i-divide po natin yung 0.139 divided by 4. Ito po ang nangyari. 0.03475. Again, 0.139 divided by 4, that is 0.03475. Still, we have the exponent of 24. Ang next step po natin, i-add po natin itong 1 plus 0.03475. Yung 650,900, as is po muna siya. Hindi po dapat baguhin. At ito pong exponent. So, ito lang po muna ang gagalawin natin. So, it will become 1.03475. Again, paano nakuha to? Inad po itong part na to. 1 plus 0.03475. Kaya naging 1.03475. Still, we have the exponent of 24. Next step po, i-convert natin itong 1.03475 raised to 24. Paano nga ba ito i-convert sa calculator? To convert 1.03475 with the exponent of 24, press in your calculator the following. Una, i-press po natin or pindutin natin sa calculator ang 1.03475. Pangalawa, yung ganitong symbol po. Pero may iba pa pong symbol sa calculator na pwedeng i-substitute dito. Okay? Next, yung exponent na 24 and then equal. Ngayon, kapag ito po ay napindot natin, lahat ito, itong part na to ay magbabago. Itong part na to. Okay? Yan ay magiging 2.270128504. Again, paano nakuha ito? Ito po ang mga pinundot natin sa calculator para i-convert po natin ito. 1.03475, tapos ito pong symbol na to, ito, sumunod po ay ang 24 na exponent, tapos yung equal sign, ito po ang lumabas. Ang next step po, para po sa ating final step, i-divide po ang 650,900 divided by 2.270128504. Kaya kapag i-divide po ito, ang ating present value po ay 286,723.86. Again, paano po nakuha itong present value natin? 286,723.86. I-divide po natin ito. Yan po yung step-by-step procedures sa example number 1. Example number 2. What will be the present value of the invested money if the principal is 1,560,755 at 9.75% compounded semi-annually in 11 years? So we have to write first the given. Ang F natin ay 1,560,755. Ito po siya. Ngayon, ipa-find natin yung nominal rate or I raised to M. Or pwede natin i-convert to sa I raised to 2. Bakit 2? Kasi po ito yan, yung semi-annually. Kanina, na-discuss natin na kapag semi-annually, that is equal to 2. Ngayon, ang interest rate po niya ay 9.75%. Ito po siya. Ang interest rate po natin, o ang nominal rate, ay i-divide po lagi sa 100. 9.75% divided by 100, that is 0.0975. Again, dinivide po ito sa 100, kaya naging 0.0975. Ngayon, punta po tayo sa frequency of conversion, which is the M. M is equal to 2. Bakit 2? Kasi semi-annually. Again, semi-annually is equal to 2. And then, ang term natin ay 11 years. So, ito po siya, 11. Now, let's proceed to step number 1. Sa step number 1, we have to compute first for the interest rate in a conversion period of J. Ngayon, ang conversion period of J natin is equal to the nominal rate divided by the frequency of conversion. So, papalitan po natin itong nominal rate. So, ano po ba siya? Ito po, 0.0975. At ang etong M ay is equal to 2. So, ang mangyayari, ito po siya. Conversion period J is equal to 0.0975 divided by 2. So, ito po ay makikita natin ulit sa formula mamaya. Step number 2, compute for the total number of conversion periods N. So, ang N daw natin is equal to MT or the frequency conversion times the term or time in years. So, imumultiply po natin ito. I-substitute po natin yung M. That is equal to 2 kasi semi-annually. Ito po siya. Ito po yung M. And then the T, ito po, times 11. And 2 times 11, that is 22. Let's proceed sa step number 3. Compute for the present value P at compound interest more than once a year. And we have the formula. P is equal to F, that is divided by the quantity of 1 plus the nominal rate divided by the frequency of conversion raised to the exponent of MT or the frequency of conversion times the term or time in years. So, i-substitute po natin sila lahat. Ito pong F, tsaka ito, pati rin ito. So, we have, sinubstitute po natin yung F sa formula, that is 1,560,755. Ito po siya. And then 1, again po, ito po ay constant. Hindi po dapat baguhin. So, plus. Ito po yung J. Kung makikita natin sa formula, ang J daw is equal to IM divided by M. So, kapag ito ay pinalitan natin, pwede rin natin siyang gawing J. So, ano nga ba yung J? 0.0975 divided by 2. Ito po siya. Tapos, yung exponent na 22, which is the N is equal to MT. So, ang next step po natin, i-divide po muna natin itong part na to. Wala pong gagalawin dito. Lalo na dito, this is constant. At ito ay exponent. Ito po muna ang gagalawin natin. So, 0.0975 divided by 2. So, dinivide po natin ang 0.0975 divided by 2. Ang nangyari po ay 0.04875. Again, dinivide po natin ito. Kaya naging 0.04875. Wala po tayong ginalaw sa F, tsaka dun sa 1, pati na rin sa exponent na MT. Ang next step po natin, still wala pa rin pong gagalawin dito at dito. I-add po natin tong 1 plus 0.04875. So, ang mangyayari, 1,560,755 divided by 1.04875. Again, paano nakuha to? Pinagsama po natin ito. Still, may exponent pa rin siyang 22. Ang next step po, i-convert po natin ito. 1.04875 na may exponent na 22. Paano po sa calculator yon? To convert 1.04875 raised to 22, press in your calculator the following. Una, pindutin ang 1.04875. Pangalawa, yung ganitong symbol or may other symbol na pwedeng magamit. Sumunod po yung exponent na 22. Tapos equal sign. Kapag pinindot po nyo itong apat na to, ito po ang mangyayari sa denominator na yon. Ito po ay na-convert natin at ito po ang lumabas. 2.849596866. So again, paano nakuha po ito? Ito po ang pinindot natin sa calculator para ma-convert ito. Ang susunod na step, i-divide po natin ang 1,560,755 divided by 2.849596866 para makuha po ang present value P. At ang nangyari, dinivide po natin ito po ang lumabas. 547,710.81. Again, paano po nakuha ito? I-divide po natin itong part na to. P is equal to 1,560,755 divided by 2.849596866. Kaya lumabas po itong ating answer na P is equal to 547,710.81. Those are the procedures on example number 2. Last example, example number 3. If the money invested is 14.16% compounded monthly in 6 years, that is worth 85,810. Find its present value. So given, ang F po natin is equal to 85,810. And then we have to find for the nominal rate or the annual rate. Pag sabing annual rate or the rate, that is talking with the interest. So pwede natin i-substitute yung M. That is 12. Bakit 12? Kasi kung makikita natin ito, compounded monthly. So, monthly is equal to 12. So, ito po siya. So, ang interest rate natin or the nominal rate is equal to 14.16%. Ito po siya. Ang next step, i-divide po natin itong 14.16 sa 100. Always po yan na i-divide sa 100. Kaya naging 0.1416. Again, dinivide po natin sa 100 kaya naging 0.1416. And then we have the given M or the frequency of conversion that is 12. Again, bakit 12? Kasi monthly po yon. Kanina po natutunan natin na kapag semi-annually that is equal to 2, quarterly that is equal to 4, and then pag monthly that is equal to 12. And then we have the term or the time in years that is 6 years dun sa problem. Now, let's proceed sa step number 1. Compute for the interest rate in a conversion period J. So, conversion period J, may formula siya. J is equal to the nominal rate divided by the frequency of conversion. So, palitan po natin ito at palitan natin ito. Ito ang mangyayari. So, J is equal to 0.1416. Ito po siya. At ang M natin is equal to 12. So, again, makikita po natin ito mamaya sa formula natin. Step number 2. Compute for the total number of conversion periods N. So, ang N po natin ay may formula na N is equal to MT, which is the frequency of conversion times the term or the term or time in years. So, that is equal to, pag pinalitan natin yung M, that is equal to 12. Pag pinalitan natin yung T, that is 6. Ito po siya, MT. So, we have to multiply. 12 times 6, that is equal to 72. Step number 3, compute for the present value P at compound interest more than once a year. Again, we have the formula. P is equal to F divided by the quantity of 1 plus the nominal rate divided by the frequency of conversion raised to the exponent of frequency of conversion times the term of time in years. Kung mapapansin po natin ito po yung J. So, ito po siya. So, pag pinalitan po natin, ito po ang mangyayari sa kanya. So, we have the computation. P is equal to 85,810. Substitute po natin yung F. Ito po siya. And then, sinubstitute po natin ito. Ito po yung J kanina. Ito po siya. Kung makikita nyo. Yung 1 po ay constant. Huwag pong babaguhin. That is in the formula. And then we have the MT, which is 72, or the exponent. Ang next step po natin, hindi po natin muna ito papakialaman, hindi po natin ito gagalawin, at ito po, i-divide po natin yung 0.1416 divided by 12. So that is P. Ayan. Hindi po natin inibang ang ating F, that is 85,810. Dinivide po natin ito, 0.1416 divided by 12, kaya naging 0.0118. Still, yung exponent natin nandyan pa rin, which is 72. Next step po, i-add po natin itong 1 plus 0.0118 raised to 72. Ito po, i-add po muna natin to, pero ito po, wala po tayong gagalawin. So, pag in-add po natin ito po ang lalabas. 85,810 divided by 1.0118. In-add po natin yung 1 plus 0.0118, kaya naging 1.0118. Still, ang exponent natin ay 72. Ang next step po, i-convert po natin tong denominator. Okay? For us to convert the denominator, ito po ang mga dapat nating i-press sa calculator. Una, 1.0118. Pindutin po natin yan. Sumunod yung ganitong symbol. Again, meron pang ibang symbol na pwede natin magamit for the to convert 1.0118 raised to 72. Ang sumunod pa rito, ang pipindutin po natin ay ang 72 na exponent. Tapos equal sign. Pag na-press na po natin yan sa calculator, ito po ang lalabas. 85,810 divided by 2.327108354. Again, paano nakuha ito? Ito po ang ginawa natin para ma-convert ito. Pindutin ang 1.0118, tapos ito pong symbol sa calculator, tapos 72, tapos equal sign, ito po ang lumabas sa denominator. Ang last step po natin, ay i-divide po natin yung 85,810 divided by sa 2.327108354. Pag dinivide po natin yan, ito po ang lalabas. Present value is equal to 36,874.09. Again, paano po nakuha ito? I-divide po natin yung 85,810 divided by sa 2.327108354. So, ang ating answer, for example number 3, ay 36,874.09. Thank you. I hope you've learned something from me. Again, this is Maestro Bench. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for notification. Bye-bye!